much. It's not going nowhere, okay? It's solid. Solid as a rock. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video I'm going to be installing or reinstalling this Luvmehair bob wig. This is my second time wearing it, and I wanted to show you guys how I install it. It's super quick, like less than 30 minutes of a glueless install. No lace glue was used. Only, this adhesive, this lace bond adhesive spray. That's the only product I use to adhere. And baby, when I tell you, it's not going nowhere. It's not going anywhere. Beautiful. So if you're if you're interested in seeing how I install this wig, then keep watching. Okay. It is a Luvmehair wig. It's 12 inches, a bob curly hair lace wig, so the lace is inside. I have worn this wig, so I already cut the lace. It does come with a band already installed in it, and it has four combs, I'm sorry. Yeah, 4 combs and a band. And yeah, I love this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And sorry, I'm moving too fast. So I will be using this product. It is the EBIN Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, Extreme Firm Hold, and it's active. I used this when I first applied this wig, and it lasted an entire week. Got2b has nothing on this adhesive spray. I found it on TikTok, of course. So I'll be using this to apply my wig. And I'm gonna show you how simple it is for beginners. I installed my first wig in 2021. I just got into wigs, so I'm definitely a beginner. So if you are beginner friendly, if you've never worn a wig, I'm not going to be using lace glue at all. It is a glueless wig. So yeah, keep watching. So I'm going to just fit this on my head just to see what it's looking like. And that is what it's looking like so far. And this is, let's see, I have a center part, and I do have some clips. This is gonna be really quick, let me tell you. And that is how it's gonna be on my head. But before we glue it, I am going to spray it with my lace tint. And I got the EBIN tinted lace aerosol spray in medium dark brown, and I did use that on my head here, but I want to make sure I color the edges of this lace real quick because I want it to blend seamlessly into my head. So I'm just gonna really quickly spray it a little bit. This is what it looks like now. It's definitely going to blend into my scalp a lot better. And I'm just going to, it's quick drying. It's quick drying and it has no residue, but I'm just going to leave it here for a second because I already got stuff on my hand. Right here. Also, I do have a hair dryer to speed up the process. I do have clips, and I do have a water bottle because we're going to wet the hair down a little bit after it's done. I am going to go get, give me a second. I also have alcohol and cotton pads because I did my makeup, but I want to make sure the perimeter of my wig is clean. So when I spray this down, it's one, no residue, and two, it bonds nicely with my scalp. So I'm going to just go ahead and take the alcohol. And if you have an alternative to using alcohol on your skin, please let me know, because I don't really like using alcohol, but this is what I found that works the best. I don't want to take all my makeup off, just the perimeter, just right here, because my makeup looks really nice today. And this is where I'm going to be spraying the adhesive. So cleaned it up a little bit. We can always refresh our makeup and stuff after the install. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the lace tint. So you see a difference? I see a difference. It's not gray or anything. And it just blends right in. It's like scalp, period. So first and foremost, we're almost ready to install it. So I'm going to go back again and put the comb in my hair, and then I'm going to make sure I want a middle part, and that is the middle. It looks like that. And then I'm going to make sure my flaps, like the edges, are where they need to be. And we are about ready. So I'm going to fold this back like so. Wait. It was like, nah, we're not folding back. So I'm going to clip the hair out the way. And then we're going to fold it back. Fold back, damn it. Okay. Fold. Yeah, I swear, when I'm recording a video, it's like, when I'm doing this by myself, I can get it done within 20 minutes. But when I'm recording a video, everything that can go wrong goes wrong. All right, so we're about ready. We're going to spray this. Now I'm going to read the instructions for a second. Where are the instructions? Starting with the cleaning and dry surface, spray product from 2 to 4 inches away from hair onto the hairline or desired area. Allowed to air dry until tacky, or use a blow dryer on cool setting. Repeat the process for 2 to 3 times to ensure a secure hold. Once tacky, apply the lace as you would and tie it down. Oh, I forgot my tie. So we're going to take this. We're going to spray it once, cool, dry, spray it again, cool, dry, spray it again, cool, dry. When it's tacky, we're going to lay it down. I'm going to have my hair dryer on, so I don't know if you're not going to be able to hear me, but that's what we're going to do. That's the process. So spray, cool, dry, spray, cool, dry, spray, cool, dry, tack it down. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So just shaking it up. And I use my fingers to make sure it goes in the right places. And not all over my freaking face. 'Cause I just did my makeup. And I always make sure I get the edges like right here, because those lift easily in first. All right, so I was going to do 3, but I think 2 is enough. It's tacky. Once you lift this, and if it's like, I'm sure you know what tacky means. But, so now we're going to go ahead and place. And I'm going to place my middle first. Here. Here. And here. Okay, so it's not all the way, we're not done yet. We got to get this hair out the way. We got to get this hair out the way because I can't see nothing. So I'm using a rat tail comb to go ahead and push the lace into the product like so. Okay, so it's not all the way down. So now that I placed it a little bit, I'm going to go back and I'm going to spray my product in areas where it did not stick all the way down. I'm going to take my hair dryer and melt it. All right, so if you can't tell, it is very shiny because I have product and stuff that is running wild. And before we tie my hair down, I'm going to take another cotton pad. I'm going to take another cotton pad and just wipe the perimeter. And then we're going to tie it down and I'll show you how to fix it. So this is what it's looking like now. We haven't tied it down yet because I want to do my baby hair first. And I already have it cut, so I'm just going to take it out of so I have, if I can find it, I see it a little bit. Okay. So it's okay, so edges are done. And I'm going to take my band and tie it down. Okay, if you wonder if that hurt, it did. We're gonna wet this down first, and then I'm going to, I'm sorry I'm looking down, I'm looking in my mirror, but let it dry and come back. I'm gonna fix my makeup and I'm gonna come back. So I have a water bottle here, and okay, so I'm not gonna wet it down anymore. And this is what it's looking like now. Scalp, you see that? Scalp. So I'm gonna let this band sit on here for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna fix my makeup, and then we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I refreshed my makeup and I diffused a little bit so it can dry a little bit. I'm gonna continue. It's a little damp like in the back section, so I'm gonna continue to let it dry. I just wanted the front to look like a little something. So I'm gonna take the band off so you can see what it look out. Ooh. Ooh, if you know, you know. So, this is what it's looking like. Very much, it's not going nowhere, okay? It's solid. Solid as a rock. I 100% recommend this adhesive. It is bomb, okay? My wig, the last time I installed it, lasted an entire week. And only because the edges were lifting, I decided to take it off. But it could have lasted longer than that. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this beginner-friendly install of this Luvmehair wig. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Comment down below if you are into these type of content. Comment down below if you're into this video content from me. I will continue to do it if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.